Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am a few days past my 4-month mark and I wanted to show you guys how I retwist my hair. So it's gonna be really quick. I've already done all of this and I actually interlocked 4 locks. I did these two and these two, and I'll talk about that. I actually cleansed my locks this time around again because I went swimming from the last time you guys saw me, and I did the braid out. I went swimming and so I needed to wash my hair, so I used the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration shampoo, only because I have so much of it and I haven't been using it, so I wanted to use that, so I used that. And then I actually deep conditioned my locks for the first time, and I used my Hydratherma Naturals Amino Plus Protein Deep Conditioning Treatment. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know that this is one of my favorite things to use. So yeah, I used that and it actually really made a difference to how my locks feel. So I'm glad I decided to do that. I want to try to deep condition like here and there, like maybe every couple months or so. So to re-moisten my locks, I'm using my Hydratherma Naturals Follicle Mist, and then I follow up with my growth oil by Hydratherma Naturals. I'm using my Botanical Defining Gel to twist, and I'm getting low on it, but don't let it fool you because this will get me a long way. It's like a little bit goes a long way. I don't even use that much. So when I have like a row left like this, what I do is I usually just go ahead and spray the whole row. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with, and sometimes I use water, but this time, like I said, I'm using the Follicle Mist. My hair just seemed like it needed more moisture, so that's what I'm giving it. I'm giving it as much as I can without being too much. So then I just kind of massage my scalp a little bit, and I will be using some more of that. Take my oil, just a little bit. A little goes a long way. I'm just gonna put it here like that on all the locks so that you can see like there's some stray strands and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go through and kind of like twist them around where they're supposed to go before I get started. See, separate it because it gets all out of order. Okay, so I'm gonna start over here. I'm gonna put a little bit more mist. This is how much gel I'm using, not much at all. Right there on the roots. This is where it is, and then I just kind of twist it around like that. Then I palm roll it down. Then I just clip it underneath the clip that I already have to try to avoid using a million clips, which I do anyway. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep doing that.